Jira is great for agile task management, isn't it? But what if some of your initiatives require a more traditional approach? Or what if your development teams work iteratively? Measure time in sprints and estimate workloads in story points. And then you and other managers have to translate it all into accurate ETAs and resource forecasts. Or maybe you just need a high-level roadmap, agile or classic, in the form of a neat timeline that's fully synced with your management system. You know, something you could share with stakeholders and easily keep up to date. Then BigGantt is the tool you're looking for. BigGantt is one of the most powerful timelining and road mapping apps in the Atlassian ecosystem. With its slick, intuitive user interface and a host of data visualization and management tools, the app makes planning, monitoring, and managing work a walk in the park. With BigGantt, you can smartly structure your initiatives, tasks, subtasks, or whatever items your management methodology requires. Accurately plan them in time. Map all the dependencies between them to design an optimal critical path. Assign the necessary resources. And finally, keep track of the execution progress. Get BigGantt now. Start your free trial.